Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Accord's handbrake, ensuring your vehicle stays securely parked. This is a vital maintenance task for safety and can prevent unexpected rolling. We'll go through the steps to get your parking brake working perfectly. It's a straightforward process that you can manage with some basic tools, making your Accord safer and more reliable for everyday use. Let's get started on this important adjustment. First, you'll need to safely lift the rear of your Honda Accord using a sturdy jack and reliable jack stands. Safety is paramount here, so double-check everything. Once the vehicle is securely elevated, remove the rear wheels. This gives you clear, unobstructed access to the brake assembly. Look for a small access hole on the brake rotor or drum. This is your gateway to the internal adjustment mechanism. It's a crucial step to begin the process. Now, with the access hole visible, take a flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert it and rotate the star wheel adjuster. You'll be turning it until the brake shoes just begin to lightly contact the inside of the brake drum. The goal is to feel a slight drag when you try to spin the wheel by hand, but it should still rotate freely. Make sure to perform this exact adjustment on both rear wheels for balanced braking performance. This ensures even engagement. After adjusting both sides, reinstall your wheels and carefully lower your Honda Accord back to the ground. Now, it's time for the final check. Engage the handbrake lever inside the cabin and count the number of clicks it takes to reach full engagement. A well-adjusted handbrake usually engages firmly within 5 to 7 clicks. Finally, test your vehicle on a slight incline to confirm the handbrake holds it securely. This ensures your safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.